Hi everyone, I am Teresa Huckabee and I am a single mom of 4 kids. I have been involved with special needs kids since, well, actually before I could even remember. I grew up working at a summer camp for kids who are disabled and adults, and that's really where my passion and desire grew to work with this population. I work for a small company in Idaho as a habilitative interventionist. I work one-on-one with kids who have special needs, including kids with behavioral issues. I enjoy cooking and baking and have been trying my hand at making special occasion cakes. I think my biggest strength is that I have true empathy and love for others. I have a motto that I live by. It's called I choose happiness. No matter what the outside circumstances are that surround me, I choose daily to be happy. My philosophy is that I believe that everyone is capable of learning. No matter where you are or where you're from, you have the capability to learn. No matter what your disability is or isn't, you have the capability to learn. Why I do what I do is because I love it. I love helping other people, and that's what motivates me. A smile, uh, the moment a kid catches on to something, those are the moments that I remember and push me through to the next. Thank you, everyone.